In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Figma slide background color. This is a quick tweak that can completely transform the tone of your presentation, improve readability, and bring brand consistency to your slides. First, head to the Figma home screen. This is where all your files and slide decks live. You'll see your recent work and any team projects. Make sure you're on the correct workspace so you can easily find the deck you want to edit. Next, click on the slide deck you want to work on to open it. Once it loads, you'll be in the Figma Slides interface. Take a second to let everything render so the toolbars and panels are ready. That makes the next step smoother. Now, click on the specific slide whose background color you want to change. You can select it from the thumbnail list or directly on the canvas. You'll know the slide is selected when the slide frame is highlighted. If you accidentally select an object on the slide instead of the slide itself, just click on an empty area or reselect the slide frame from the Layers panel. The change we're about to make applies to the slide's background, not individual elements. Look to the bottom toolbar and click the Design button on the right side. This switches you into the design view for slides and reveals the properties you need. If it already looks active, you're in the right place. On the right-hand properties panel, find and click the Fill control. This opens the color options for the selected slide. If the section is collapsed, a single click will expand it and show the color swatch and controls. Now, select the color of your choice. You can pick from your document swatches, enter a hex value, use RGB or HSL inputs, or sample a color with the eyedropper. Consider choosing a color that supports good contrast, especially if your text is light or dark. You can adjust opacity if you want subtle tints, and if your design calls for it, you can switch from a solid fill to other fill types later. As you choose, watch the slide update in real time to confirm it looks the way you expect, and that's it. You've successfully changed the background color of the slide. Take a moment to scan your content and make sure headings, body text, and icons remain legible against the new color. For consistency, you can repeat the same process on other slides in the deck, keeping your palette aligned with your brand or theme. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing cleaner, more polished slides in Figma.